Now let's discuss about the sum of interior angles of a polygon. As I explained in quadrilateral, but let us discuss how you will calculate the sum of all the three angles of triangle. Quadrilateral has four angles, four, pentagon and so on. So students, there is one formula, n minus into 180 degree. Yes, n is nothing but the sides of a figure. Now for example, if you have to calculate the angles of a triangle. Now triangle has three sides, so the value of n will be 3. 3 minus 2 into 180. So 1 into 180 is 180. Clear? So its sum is 180. Now what about quadrilateral? Quadrilateral has four sides. So and the value of n will be 4. 4 minus 2 into 180, that is 2 into 180, and the answer will be 360 degree. So the sum is 360 degree. Clear? Now let's talk about pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, so the value of n will be 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3 into this is 540. Clear? So in this way you can find out the sum of all the interior angles of any polygon which you want to draw. Fine. Let's talk about the exterior angles. How to find out the sum of all exterior angles. Of a polygon. Now I am taking two examples. Let us make right angle triangle, and here I am making rectangle. Why I am taking rectangle? It is easier for all of you. Now what I am doing, I am just extending the lines. Yes, or you can extend from this way or this way. Clear? Now this is right angle triangle 90. Let us take 40. And this is 50 degree. Clear? Rectangle we discuss later. So if this is 90 and linear pair is formed, so this is 90, so this is also 90. If this is 40, so this is linear pair, so 180 minus 40 is 140 degree. And in this case, if this is 50, so this will be subtract from 180, it will be 130. So when you add up together 130 plus 140 plus 90, it will become 270, 270 and 80 become 90 become 360 degree. Clear? Now let's talk about rectangle. Rectangle, each angle is of 90 degree. So when we extended these lines, this is also 90, 90, 90, 90. So 490. So the sum will be 360. Yes, it is same. So the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. I have taken an example and I have explained you with the I have explained this property by showing you the examples that you can take any figure and find out the exterior angle by linear pair, and you get the result will be 360 only. Fine.